Hello, this is Rubaiyat. Welcome to another tutorial from MyTutorville.
In this tutorial, I will show you how to add multiple number in Microsoft Excel. Many of us use Microsoft Excel in our daily life regularly, and we'll all see in this screen where when numbers are entered, the calculated result shows at the same time. In this video, I will show you how to create these functionalities. Before I proceed to the main part, let me explain few things about Excel sheets. Excel sheets have rows and columns. By default, columns are marked as A, B, C, D, and rows are marked with number 1, 2, 3, 4. So when someone say D10, that means it is column D and row number 10. In Microsoft Excel, whether you add two numbers or multiple numbers, the method is the same. I have selected two columns here, column A and column C. To make this easy to understand, I have highlighted few rows in both columns in different color. In column A, I will enter the input value. The highlighted section will be our input section. And in the column C, the result will be displayed. You don't need to follow exactly what I am doing. This is just for explanation.
In column C, right below the result, select the block. Now click on the FX sign on the top. That will open this window. In this window, we have multiple function or formulas to do different things. As we are adding number, select sum and then click OK. And we have another window. As I mentioned earlier, we can either add two numbers or multiple number. But to make things easy, I will click here. Now I will go to column A. I will highlight the second row or A2. Then I will hold the mouse and drag it till row 8. Now I'll move back in here. As you can see, A2 and A8 has been highlighted in here. I'll click here. I'll click OK. It is ready. So let's test it. 2. Notice how the result is changing when I enter the value in the input section. I'll type something in here. But if I type something in here, the result is not changing because it is outside of our input section. So I'll go back. I'll change these to 20. Result is changing. And this is how you add number in Excel.
There is another way to do this. I will show you how the professional use the built-in Excel function to get the job done.
Click the section C2 right beside the title result. Now go up beside the FX sign, click here in this blank section. Now let's type the formula equals sign sum open parenthesis A2, this is the start section, colon A8, this is the last section, and we're going to close the parenthesis, enter. Let's test it. 9, 3. Notice how the number are changing once I enter anything here in the input section. 2. But if I enter anything outside this input section, this number doesn't change because these are not included in our formula. So let's add more number. Let's change this one to 8. And this is how you add number in Excel.
Now you know how to add multiple numbers and show the result in Excel.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our YouTube channel, MyTutorville, and stay in touch for more tutorial.